Hey, Salty here. Today I decided to try to work on that card game I showed a little bit just for fun, and because people might be curious how I made it. Like, I'm not gonna show how I made stuff from scratch, but I'm gonna just program new cards into it and show how I do it. And today I'm gonna just try to do something like Horus Traveler, gain an influence of your choice. Like, I programmed this before in a previous version because this is version 6 because I kept making different versions because I had to keep changing it. Like version 5 was version 4, 6 had the 2v2. Version 4 only had the uh no, version 5 had the only 2v2 or 1v1. Version 4 had also version 5 had 5 colors. Version 4 had 6 colors. And this here is version 4. And as you see here, I already made something similar to it, like gain green and then pick between purple or red to gain. Like, the only difference here is you only pick two. But I decided to, I'm not doing a script, so sorry. So, and when I was reprogramming the cards into version 6, I for some reason did not decide to add this for whatever reason. Yeah, here's the 6th color, yellow, which is now moved to white in version 6. And oh yeah, and this is what a dual color card would look like. Pretty much like Eternal Black. You have your influence, which actually had little symbols on it. I got rid of them in the other version because, or in the 6th version, because I might want to change the symbols, right? But also you can barely even make it out here. They're so tiny. Look how tiny it is. As you can see, it's a ripoff of what's his name from Eternal. But instead of endurance, he has taunt. Yeah, so anyways, enough of that. Let's just get to trying to program it. I'm just going to transfer the assets or I already did. I transferred the assets for version 4 into version 6, so it's not going to be as long, the program. First, we need to open up the script. Test Awaken. Because Awaken's a summon effect, so I do a test class here to do the programming. And I did a little bit of it last night, but I still want to initialize all this nonsense. Okay, add that, yada yada yada. How many colors? What's the other? What was the list of colors that I do? Did? I gotta clean this desktop up. Oh, I still had that on full screen, didn't I? Whatever. Red, blue, white, purple, green. Red, white, blue, which I do for you, purple, green. Because what it's doing right now on the play effect, when I play in a unit in this test awaken, it creates a GUI which gives you a set of buttons to click. And yeah, then the canvas, you do that. Yeah, I already did that as a inherence function. Okay. Public override. Pick color. No wait, this is wrong awaken. Shit. That was. I thought I had the last one highlighted. Test awaken. click override color pick. Okay, also, who has this awaken right now? Awaken factory. ID number 1. SQL database. Open. Database. Cards. Browse data. Cards. ID 1 belongs to Tester Joe. Where is Tester Joe? That's Tester Bob. Tester Joe's white. Okay. Yeah, and his active is used for testing, which is test awaken. Rush, used for testing. Let's save that. Close the program. Oh yeah, I still gotta do that one thing. Test awaken. I'm gonna put it all the way to the end so I don't fucking lose it. No, not up there. Not there, there. Oh, fuck off. It's grave robber, but I can use him as a basic. Yeah, and I need the awaken manager. The Awaken Manager is a program that handles what to do while in the game. Recording. Yes, I am. Don't mind me, I'm just trying to remember to. Oh yeah, I did it like this because of it's a unit, right? Interesting. Makes sense. Gotta make sure if it's a unit, it has that component. Okay, dokie. So I should probably look at Awaken Manager real quick just so I can try to remember what I do. Okay, does that mean I gotta do Awaken or Manager? Did I even do it here? I made it Awaken Manager. Oh yeah, it's right down here at the bottom. Oh yeah, that's what I did. Yeah, my code's a little messy because just try to retrack what I'm doing because the. Because like this code here should have been on the card itself, not GUI card, or what would I ever call this card? Not the renderer. But I guess it happens. Nope, can't change it now. So yeah, that means I'm gonna also need the classes resource sys scripts. Okay, it turns out I gotta do something. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I just realized what I gotta do next. If spell. Game object define active manager. Yeah, it's just awakened manager now. Is it with a capital A though? Yes, it is. Okay. Go to declaration. I guess I should do it this way. Okay. That means I gotta go back to test awaken and change that. Okay, so do I have any build errors right now? That makes sense. Oh. Any other build errors? Color, and then we change that to did it backwards. Whatever. It would take too long to fix all that. Okay. I'm just gonna empty that shit. Now will it build or I gotta... Okay, build. We're not done yet. But first, let's see if it actually works. Okay, build and run. And what I mean by worked, I just want to see if it actually gives you a list of colors to pick. Clicking is not going to do anything at all. But let's see. Takes a bit for it to build. That's the old version. No, that's the current version. So maybe that's why it's taking forever to build. Let's try that again. Oh, there it is. Okay, play. Play. As we can see, it actually worked. Okay. How about for this side? Ooh, but it's really big. Interesting. Okay, well, let's also mute it. Sorry, someone's talking in the background. Sorry about that. Someone was just talking in the background. I don't think anyone wants to hear that. Okay, that seemed to work without a hitch. Okay. Okay, test awaken. Let's do a no, we can do a bloody debug. Wait, well, first let's go to the button. No, that's the GUI card, GUI power list. Where's GUI power pick? Did I close that? Color pick. Yeah, because then it goes to that. Then it does pick color. That goes to that, and that goes to whatever. Okay. Now we gotta go to champion, which is the player. Did I call it champion data or champion? Okay, I don't know what I did here, but that's definitely not it. It's champion. Okay. Oh yeah, I gotta do all this nonsense too, don't I? Because this code I gotta do here, I gotta program it a specific way because it's for the server, which is called Photon, I believe. Trap, remove from deck. I'm just looking for a good place to put the method. Whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna need to use a method for this shit. Okay. Add color to pool. Okay, if C is equal to R, if C, did I make an easier way to do this or no? No, I did not. C is equal to white might be easier if I do a switch case. C sharp switch. Yeah, I don't remember all of this on top of my head. Oh fuck. Doing control V, come on. Oh, you motherfucker, I forgot that doesn't do this. Okay, switch C default break. Oh, is it a capital D? No. Okay, switch. There's the bubble. Or do I just have a case? Okay, yeah. Case R. Oops. Did I add a note what each one is which somewhere? Yeah, that's a good way. There we go. There, so add one. Okay. Sure, I guess I'll do a tab. If it's U. Oh, I did it in this order, eh? Nothing wrong with that. If it's W. If you don't know programming, you won't really know what I'm doing. I have an array. If you don't know what an array is, I can't. It's hard for me to explain. Pretty much, the data for the power, like your current amount of influence, is being stored here in this array. I'll charge my battery later. Oh, no, it meant to be G, and this is meant to be 4. Okay. Now let's just make sure this is correct. Power pool, ability. Okay. That should do it. Okay. Now we go back to test awaken. Oh, it's been a while since I did this. Let's just borrow a code from here. That's what I like about programming. You can just copy. If you know how to program smart, you don't have to remember everything you did, and you can just look at older code and just get the example. Like, if you tell me to do this from scratch, oh dear lord, if I didn't have a reference code, oh god, this would take forever. This took me months, even like maybe even years to do on my own. I had so many setbacks, and I programmed it so wrong, and then I had changed the rules every so often. Fuck, what the fuck was I doing? Okay. Oop. White's like that. At the pool. And we'll do color. Okay. Do we have any errors? That's still an error. That's not really an important error. That'll go away. Okay, now let's do it again. Ready. Okay. Please don't give me any errors. Green. And it added it. Oh, sweet lord, it did. It worked. It worked. Okay, let's try this side now. And let's add fire. And it worked. It red. It worked. Oh, good. Now for the next step. Adding into the database. Not too hard. Just click on no, fuck off. Or actually, first what we actually want to do is, so this is just a test class. We are gonna actually make it its own thing. Okay, let's go to scripts, awaken, we'll call it scripts, awaken, add any, or pick a color, add color, or add pick color. Yeah, we'll call it add pick color. No, or pick add color. And yes, I spell color weird, but because I'm Canadian. Sorry about that. Someone was talking in the background, and I didn't think that you want to hear that. Okay, so pretty much what we do now, if we just put this data and just put into a new class. We just copy all the assets. That. Copy the insides, add it to there, and then we go to awaken factory. Awaken factory is for where it creates the card. it grabs the awakened that it belongs to that card and attaches it to that unit or whatever the play. And the ID here's are from the card's database, like the time stopper. Huh. Oh, nope, wrong one. Yeah, sorry, I had to pause that again. Oy. So, yeah, now we did that. So now we just make a new card, new record. I'll just say alpha set type unit rarity. Hard to choose. We'll make it an uncommon. Neutral, okay. Name, I don't know. I don't even know what kind of type of unit this would be. But for now, let's make it a 1 cost. It's neutral, so we don't need that. We'll just call it a... let's give it a banner. Give it 1 health. Skills, null. Has no skills. Race, I don't know. Give it null. And now we just do this. Add a color of your choice to your pool. Sorry about that. I just found another bug. Or not a bug, just a little mistake I forgot to do. Pretty much when you click on the power button, it's supposed to show what powers they have, but it didn't for whatever reason. So, but I fixed it. And I think also my mic was muted at the very end there. So anyways, that's how you make a copy of... that's how I made my own copy of Horus Traver. If you guys want to see more of this, or have a suggestion of the next card I should try to make, just give me a message on the comments or on my Discord page. Or not Discord page, my Discord. Anyways, hope you enjoy watching. Sorry I couldn't give more of a definition of what I was doing, but it's hard to explain one's code, really. Sometimes. So yeah, see you guys next time.